Tecumseh. Fascinating. Captivating. Mesmerizing. Tecumseh.
3, 2, 1. Obviously a great benefit for Fayette County, but because of the central location, do you figure that maybe you'll be getting people from Western Ross, Eastern Clinton County?
Well, it's a community hospital, right? Now that's the main point, and so it's whatever becomes most convenient for the patients. You know, that's the advantage of a local hospital. I've driven to Columbus for many years for different treatments, and to not have to do that, it's incredibly different.
Tony, just your first thoughts about what this facility is going to mean for your county.
Oh, growth, opportunity, better health access. There's nothing like a hometown hospital for the folks that live here. When you walk in with your sick child, or you walked in, after an accident, you want to know the people that you're going to see. You want to know that you're going to get good care. I can't say enough about Adena, the finance group that has put this package together. These things aren't cheap, and it's going to be a great addition to the community. Was there any point in the last 4 years that you had doubts? Well, when COVID's raging the way it is, when you have a change in administrations in Washington, D.C., when you have change in administrations in Columbus, there's always reason to wonder. I don't know that it's worry, but you want to get in there and try to make sure that the policy is headed where it's beneficial for us. Everybody else needs to get in and do their own, but we always go to Columbus to try to bring home something that's beneficial for us. And like I say, Jeff and the folks at Adena have been wonderful to work with, very, very supportive. So I wouldn't say we were ever worried. I farm, so I understand the issue of time. And you can't make it rain and you can't make it stop. So we just try to be the best we can be till we get the chance. And lastly, I think it was your comment about a community of 28,000, the county, having a high-tech facility like this in your hometown. Right. That's not something you see every day. No, it's not. I like to hearken back on the originators of the hospital. Their foresight, their dedication, to their neighbors, to their kids, it has, with some rough spots, continued on over those years. But I've talked to very few people that were dissatisfied with the immediate care they could get at Fayette, and it's only going to get better. Joe, talk about what this facility will mean to the city of Washington Courthouse.
It's a long-term investment in our community. You want people to be able to have the ability, if they choose, to have as many medical procedures and issues taken care of locally as opposed to the hassle of having to drive to Columbus or Dayton or Cincinnati. And really, I've never been to the Fayette Memorial Hospital that I haven't had care from somebody that I knew at some point in time. And that it's an important thing that ability for us to be able to care for our own folks when they're in need, that's very important to us.
Also, in relation to what this might do economically for the city.
Well, certainly it reinforces the ability to continue to attract employers. When Honda looked at the area, the hospital plans were one of the things that we brought up immediately. That really, in terms of it being a whole community, a whole functioning community, it's very important for that.
Jeff, not only for the Washington Courthouse, Fayette County community, what does this hospital mean for the region?
Well, it means, just like I said earlier, healthcare is really the stable. It's the foundation that helps a community grow and build. And when you think about the jobs, usually hospitals, especially in your smaller communities like this, where not only there for you in your time of need, but we're the economic engine. We're usually the largest employer. Along with education, it's what other businesses are looking for. And here in Fayette County, we have, golly, an explosion with the LH battery plant and other facilities that are coming to this community. This hospital is going to be there to meet their current needs, but well into the future. And it's so exciting to see what's happening here in Fayette County.